Hi, I'm Craig Fernando. Today we'll be baking no butter chocolate chip cookies. For that you need 1/2 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 3/4 cups of flour. And finally, you need a cup of chocolate chip cookies. First, we preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then, line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper and set aside. Place the oil, and sugars into a stand mixer with the paddle attachment equipped. Beat on medium-high until light and fluffy, 2 to 3 minutes. After this, we will add the egg and egg yolk into the sugar mixture. Next, we'll add the 1 egg and the 1 egg yolk into the mixture. Mix until it turns smooth on low speed. Keep it mixing until it turns light and fluffy. After this, we'll add in the vanilla and beat. Dry ingredients, the baking soda, salt, and flour. Be careful not to overmix. I usually stop when I still have some flour remnants still left around the bowl. Chocolate chips and into your desired size cookie. I like to use the size of an ice cream scoop. Place 6 to 8 baking sheets so they don't collide with each other. Make sure not to waste any of the cookie dough. If they're stuck around the edges, try scooping it into the middle. You want to bake these for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. Now, wait until the cookies are done, and then after, enjoy. The cookies, they're not done yet, but they're looking pretty good. They're getting golden brown. They got that nice color from the brown sugar. And in a couple of minutes, they'll be done. The cookies just got out of the oven. They have this nice crispy texture on the top. As you can see, some cookies are touching, but that was a mistake on my part. When you're doing this, make sure to space them out a tiny bit more. But overall, they look really nice, and after letting them cool down a bit, you can eat. As you can see, our cookies are finally cooled down. They look amazing, absolutely delicious. Once you've finished with your cookies, call down any family or friends and enjoy them. Make sure you take the cookies out a bit before they're done so the residual heat will cook them. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this, like and subscribe to our channel.